What's up? How are you doing today? My name is Seven, and I'm your host for Fishing 24/7. I'm going to take you to Aurora Reservoir in Aurora, Colorado to show you how to catch trout and walleye. Please subscribe to help this channel grow. I'll catch you in a bit.
The man that needs no introduction, Mr. Seven. His YouTube page, and that's Fishing 24/7.
But the biggest thing about today is we have a special guest, simply known as Seven. Seven, we talked a little bit about fish, right? There's things that when you talk to Seven, a couple things you have to talk about. Fish, snacks, and sleep, okay? So you're a multi-species angler. You love fish of all sizes.
They say go where the birds are. Strong fish. Woo! Jumper. Ooh, that's a nice fish. Take your time, relax with big fishes. That's a thick fish. Hurt my leg. So, a little tender. Strong fish. Not enough. Quick release. Yay! A little wild one.
This is a good time to show you what I'm using. I'm using about a 10-inch leader and a small hook. It's warm today, so I'm counting on the fish feeding lower to the bottom of the lake. I'm using chartreuse power bait because it's brighter. And this is all you need. Make sure it floats. Cast out as far as you can. And then we wait. Lots of weeds. There's a clump of weed with him. A nice size fish. Ooh, look at that fish. Oops. Come. Catch and release. Just watching the bird, not my line. What kind of fish is this? It feels like a trout. Is it a trout? Walleye. Walleye. Got him! Woo! Nice. Just what the doctor ordered. We did it. Beautiful fish. Yeah. Yeah. a snake, I would catch him. So cutie.
Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time. The next time you go to Aurora Reservoir, bring yourself some leeches and see if you may catch a walleye. Please comment below and let me know that you caught one. Thank you for everything you do. Please subscribe, like, and comment to help this channel grow. Check out other videos on this channel. I'll catch you in the next episode. Until then, keep on fishing.